Hi everyone and welcome to my course, Creating a URL Shortener app with ASP.NET. I am Ervis Trupja, and in this comprehensive course I'll guide you from an empty Visual Studio solution to a fully functional URL Shortener app similar to Bitly, TinyURL or Rebrandly. To build this app, you'll learn how to create 3 ASP.NET project types. An ASP.NET MVC project will be used to create the user-facing portal and also an admin dashboard providing the visual interface. An ASP.NET Web API project will be used to handle the app's core logic, including redirecting users from short URLs to original URLs and also tracking the number of clicks. And an ASP.NET Data project will form the app's backbone, managing database interactions and application services. To build these apps, you'll learn about a wide range of concepts in ASP.NET, including passing data between controllers and views, validating input data, setting up Entity Framework Core for database interactions, creating and configuring services, enabling user login and registration with the ASP.NET identity, and also integrating third-party login providers like Google and GitHub. Additionally, you'll also learn about GitHub branching. So, join me on this course and learn how to build a robust URL shortening solution with ASP.NET.